Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Unofficial Office Tarot. I am so excited. This is one of my favorite shows of all time, so I'm so happy that we get a tarot deck based off of it. So this is published by Smith Street Gift, and it is illustrated by Chantel de Sosa, whom I have loved her other decks. So the Friends Tarot, Golden Girls, Meryl Streep, love them. So this retails for $24.95 in the US and $33.50 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. There's a lot of counterfeits going on right now, especially when it comes to the pop culture decks. So please be aware of that. I will only link links that I know that are legitimate. That being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Do you have existential questions about your personal universe? Do you dream of becoming assistant to the regional manager? Wonder if you should buy new chairs or a photocopier? Find answers to all of your questions and manifest your destiny through this unofficial tarot deck. Please note, the product is not associated with or authorized by the office. We just really love it. All right, look at how cute. So excited. Flip top. It did come with little stickers to hold the flip top down, so I appreciated that, but I didn't want to have you see me struggle, so I took that off. There's a little pamphlet card here that tells you how to go about reading this deck, and it is based on the Rider-Waite-Smith design, so we're ready. It has a gloss to it. Oh, look at the back. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love it already. Let's check out the cardstock. It's on the thinner side, so it does feel like her other tarot decks. It's on the thinner side. It's a nice length. I don't mind that at all. Of course, Michael is the fool. Look at what we got. Oh my goodness. That face. Oh my goodness. Property of Michael Scott. Oh. Yay. Oh, I do like that for the Empress. Oh, she's got her little paintbrushes in the corner. What did Phyllis have? Did her knitting? Yeah, her knitting. Cute. Oh. And he's got the beats. Okay, I'll allow it. We got sprinkles, name tag up in the corner. I am really loving the attention to detail. So the boxes here instead of the pillars. Oh. Oh, and all of the little items from the teapot and oh. Sweet. Oh, Miss Joe. All of the complaints in the back. Oh, that's funny. Oh, I love Oscar for Justice. Rainbow calculator. Come on, focus. There we go. Is that Creed? Can't tell. Oh, maybe it is, because those are the beans, the sprouts. Okay. Oh my gosh. Robert California? Yes. Lizard King. Cute. Aw. I love Kelly for this sun. Oh, sprinkles. Karen. I like that. Fun. So the minor is making sense. Everything is working well. Love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, perfect. This is fantastic. You can definitely, if you understand the show, like if you watch it and know what these scenes are about and these characters are about, everything absolutely makes sense. So I'm impressed. Oh my goodness. Even with the Arizona stuff in the background. Absolutely fantastic. My one complaint about The Office is Andy's character arc. Oh, this episode was fantastic. I'd like to buy the wizard. Oh, Angela. Oh, him helping her out. Yeah, this is very well done. Oh, perfect. What did he have on the... Oh, the samurai swords. I like looking up at the corners. I love that addition. Oh, Bob Vance of Vance Refrigeration. We even have the refrigerators up in the corner. Fantastic. And then you do see at the on the Dundee Award what the award is for, and it goes along with the energy of the suit. Fantastic. Well done with attention to detail. Oh. Love that. Oh, what does he have up here? The suck it. Well done. 2 kids. Phenomenal. Oh, oh Jan. Serenity by Jan. Love that. Oh, she has her drink. I love that they used Dwight and Andy for the 5 of Swords. Fantastic. Oh, when he leaves to go do the auditions. Love this reference too. And the saber triangle tablet. Seriously, one of the best episodes of TV history. Phenomenal. Loved it. There's so many different videos that break down why it was so good. Oh, God. So great. This show is my comfort show if you have not already realized it, and I just adore it. And the way that this deck is put together, you really don't need a guidebook if you understand the show. It's so well done. That makes complete sense. Oh, Mr. Minor here. I am aware of the effect that I have on women. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yes, I do not have a problem with this at all. This might be my new favorite pop culture deck. I just have to say it because I feel like everything was done so well. Everything from the character design to the little details that were put in the illustrations. It's just fantastic. So really, really well done. I couldn't be more pleased. The only thing that I would have to nitpick on is I would love to have a guidebook with these, just because I feel like it can break down it a little bit more for everyone using it. Plus, you know, the price would be nice to reflect that as well. There are some decks that are the same price that do have a guidebook. So that is my only complaint. I feel like this deck is just perfect as far as how it was done. For a pop culture deck, fantastic. I honestly, those little complaints probably have nothing to do with the artist at all. It has everything to do with the publishing company. So that's it. I honestly don't have any bad things to say about this deck. I'm very pleasantly surprised. If you compare this type of deck to the Inside Edition decks, there's a huge difference. So I think that if Inside Editions can kind of get their act together as far as putting out what we as the consumers would prefer, they would be unstoppable, right? Because this was done so well with the minors that I feel like there's so much more story in this. There's so many seasons of The Office that they can pull those important scenes from to make it work with the deck. I don't understand why some other decks are lacking in that. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Are you excited about this as much as I am? Because I feel like a big dork talking about The Office all the time. I bring it up a lot. There's a lot of references that I use that are just strictly from this show. So please let me know all your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. I love to see them. And again, don't forget the links are in my description box below to purchase this, as well as my link tree where I have all of my social medias, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.